Hello everybody, it's me again, Dennis, the 17-year-old trying to build a 6-axis robotic arm from scratch, which is going to be controlled with a glove. So right here I have a behemoth of a mess. So what this is exactly is down here is the motherboard. Then we have our shoulder and moves up to our elbow and the yaw part. You can also see the limit switch coming out of there. And just back down here, you can see the ESP and the other 3 drivers. So basically what's going on here, the 2 limit switches are installed on the shoulder and the elbow, or to tell the robotic arm how far it must go before it reaches its limit, basically the term limit switch. So let's say this part moves right, it goes down, 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 boom, hits the switch. Does okay, this is the farthest I can go. Now I can move between 0 and 110 degrees. Same with this part right here. This part can move to its minimum position, which is right over here, and then it knows, okay, I can move in between 110 degrees also, I think. Right now I set it to each one moves 40 degrees and 30 degrees. So let's quickly move on to the code so I can show you guys what's going on inside of it. Okay, so right here we have the code. So I'm using Excel Stepper, the library for that, but it's just using to make the code a bit easier. I'm not writing the code, don't get me wrong, I am using Claude, but yeah, I'm still learning how to code. But basically what's going on here, we have the steps per revolution for RPM, like a normal car in your engine, like in the dashboard it says, like let's say 4000 RPM. So right here, the steps per revolution, it says just how many steps each stepper motor has to go a revolution. So we got 16,000 and then 1600,000 and 3200. Then we go down here, this is the degrees of freedom. So this is how many degrees each joint moves. Then we go down to this part right here. This is just basically how fast it has to home, how many degrees back the joints have to go. Run speed, just normal running speed. We got acceleration, how fast it starts up, and then this part right here is for this part of the motor. Then we have just the angles. Each one moves this angle. So the big motor down here moves 45 degrees and the smaller motor on the shoulder, on the elbow, is 30 degrees. Now we just come down here. This is just all the pin definitions, which cable is connected to which part on the ESP. And then we just come down here. This is just math. Don't ask me. I don't know. Like I said, I didn't write this code, but I know what's going on. And yeah, that's basically it. Let me just move on to a explanation video on how the motor moves. Before we move on to the presentation of the arm, I just want to give you guys a quick word from my sponsor. So this guy just full on gave me a filament dryer for free. He's awesome. Please go check out the filament guy for all your filament needs, and let's get back to the arm. Okay, so right here we have the arm. So we got the limit switch one here and a limit switch over here. So when I press this button, it will go down, touch its limit switch. The exact same will happen over here. It is going to touch it. I just pull this wire out. Is going to touch this limit switch right here, which it just did, and then I can just press this button again and everything will start moving. And press it again. So it's a bit wobbly, as you can see. I still need to figure some stuff out, but yeah, that is basically what's going on. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to support me and push my videos out to more people. Goodbye.